I love a backpack just because I can carry so much in it. So as you can see, we have my pillow. This is not a necessity. On this long trip that I'm taking, I decided a neck pillow wouldn't be a bad idea, and it was worth a little extra annoyance. Also, I have on, get carabiners. I always attach my water bottle. This water bottle, I think I've mentioned in another video, is awesome, especially going to countries you're not too sure about their water quality. It's the Water to Go from Active, and it gets rid of viruses and bacteria along with filtering the water. And what's great about it is there's no weird tastes or anything. I believe it's a charcoal filter, but it is great for places when you're not too sure about it. And I just got it because it does the viruses and bacteria, not just the impurities. So that's a must. Let's see what else is on the outside here. Also with my carabiner attached, just for safety, my 360 camera with clip that you saw in that last video. That usually sticks right in the side pocket. So inside, get to it. I love this backpack because it has different sections. This is where I put my, I have my makeup bag. That's all of my bathroom necessities. And then also in here, yes, I labeled it because I couldn't remember which cube had what. This is my carry-on cube that has about 3 days worth of clothes in it. Just because, and I've really worked hard on a capsule wardrobe this time, stuck with 3 colors, black, brown, and blue. And so I was able to reuse a lot of the clothes for a big, long 2-week trip. But this is for 3 days at least. If I mix and match, you'll probably do more. All right, and then in here, I have snacky snacks, protein bars, just because I don't know how often I'll be served, and making sure I get my protein in. Because, you know, I'm over 50. We need our protein. All right, inside, see now it's getting a little floppy because I've taken this stuff out of the bottom. Inside, I have a lot, mostly electronics. This is my bag of cords and batteries and things for my phone, 360, different adapters, things like that. And I got this from Princess Hotels, and it is great because sometimes on those planes, they don't circulate that air enough. So I'm really excited about this fan, just in case. Hopefully I won't need it. Must is also your earphones, and most airplanes don't have Bluetooth, so you have to make sure you have one with the correct adapter. Noise canceling is a plus. I have my BioFreeze for those aches and pains when you're traveling. Sunglasses, more cords, and my eye drops. Those are supposed to be in that little pocket. They fell out. More protein bars. And then I have wipes for my cameras. Tip of the day is I always, when I go on an international long flight, and so I always pack, I think I got 16 this time, $5 gift cards for Starbucks to give to the flight attendants. Tip, do it early in your flight. It's a nice thing to do because they put up with so much crap, y'all. So flight attendant gifts are always in my bag. I have going to 2 different countries and needed 2 different adapters. And then in here, have always take your medications with you. These are all my vitamins. Then I have my iPad. What else can I fit in here? And another tripod for my Insta360. I think that's all. My Apple Pencil, of course. I think that's all that's in there. That's what's in my carry-on. So you may have other things. What do you carry in your carry-on? What do you not leave home without?